Uncomfortable Truths, Part 1. So, you know how we are a soul in a body, and our soul is connected to our higher self, and then our higher self is connected to spirit, and spirit is connected to source or the creator. So, that means that by coming here, by incarnating on earth, we have a specific purpose. We are meant to do specific things in this life. So that means that there is a path in our life that is completely aligned to source and to our purpose. And this is, let's say, what we call the most aligned path. And then obviously there are other paths that depend on the decisions that we make in life. So, for example, if you choose to date a person, let's say, based just on their looks and on the physical attraction that you might have to them, but you discard any sort of like emotional or heart connection, well, that is one of the paths. It's not the most aligned path. Or if you decide to have a job that, it gives you money, but it doesn't fulfill you in any way, that is one of the paths, but it's not the most aligned one. Or let's say if you decide to never take a look at your feelings and your traumas and your blocked energy, it is one of the ways to go about life, but again, it's not the most aligned one. Because in the most aligned one, you want to really heal and you want to really work on your stuff that are actually blocking you in life. So, my point is that the path is not really predetermined for you. Like, you are the one deciding every day, every single day, every decision you make is either taking you into alignment or is taking you out of alignment. And it's not necessarily a bad thing to be out of alignment, but it's kind of like it takes you longer to reach your goals. It takes you longer to manifest the things that you want. And generally, there is way more resistance in your life when you're not in alignment.